instead of the cup song, with the cup, I'm gonna do the song. And, I like this song really much. Instead of talking, and I already did a video of the cup song, so you can watch all my other videos for that. And, it's really, really late. It's like 3 in the morning, but I'm here. So, yeah, I'm gonna do the cup song. Or not the cup song, the song. I've got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bad whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You'll miss me from my hair, you'll miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I've got my ticket for the long way around, the one with prettiest views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got lights to give you shivers, but it'll sure be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you'll miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Okay, so I did this song, and you can watch my other videos about this cup song, and I really like it. And, yeah, so the most important thing to say is subscribe.